So in front of me I've got Nothing Ear 2. In this video I'll show you how to set up personal sound. Beginning, go to Nothing X app and go to settings. Go to personal sound profile, get started, test your ears. Next, select when you were born. Tap next, play noise. Adjust it. All set. And press start. Now press and hold the button while you hear the beep. Release the button when the beep disappears. Start test, and now follow the instructions. It might take a while, so follow these instructions. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.